I just discovered something that's left me utterly stunned. Nearly 90% of Americans have no idea how their credit score is calculated. You're probably one of them, and I was too, until recently. It's crazy to think that a hidden AI is making life-changing decisions about our financial futures. This got me wondering, what exactly is behind these mysterious credit algorithms? You're likely familiar with the term credit score, but have you ever stopped to think about the complex financial AI that's driving it all? It's like trying to solve a puzzle blindfolded. We're given the pieces, but not the picture. As I dug deeper, I found that these credit algorithms are incredibly sophisticated, taking into account everything from your payment history to your social media activity. It's a bit like trying to predict the weather. There are so many variables at play, it's a wonder they can make accurate forecasts at all. And yet, they do, with surprising accuracy. But here's the thing, these hidden scoring systems can be notoriously unfair. It's like trying to get a loan from a bank that's using a secret formula to decide whether you're worthy. You're left feeling frustrated and helpless, with no clear understanding of what you did wrong. And that's where data discrimination comes in, the unfair practice of using biased data to make decisions about our lives. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't that just how the system works? And to that, I say, not necessarily. We've got the power to demand transparency and fairness in these credit algorithms. It's time to pull back the curtain and reveal the hidden AI that's deciding our financial futures. As we navigate this complex world of financial AI, it's essential to remember that we're not just talking about numbers, we're talking about people's lives. It's like trying to find the perfect recipe for a delicate dish, one wrong ingredient, and the whole thing falls apart. And that's exactly what's happening with these hidden scoring systems. They're using the wrong ingredients, and it's affecting real people. So, how do we make sense of it all? One way to think about it is to imagine a giant library, with each book representing a piece of data about you. The credit algorithm is like a librarian, searching through the shelves to find the most relevant information. But, what if the librarian is biased, or the books are outdated? That's where the problem lies, in the data itself. As I reflect on my own experience with credit scores, I realize that I've been pretty lucky. But, I've also seen friends struggle to get loans or apartments due to unfair credit decisions. It's made me realize just how much of a privilege it is to have a good credit score. And that's not right. We should all have access to fair and transparent credit algorithms. So, what's driving these hidden scoring systems? It's a mix of human bias and machine learning, a powerful combination that can either help or harm us. It's like trying to train a dog. You need to give it the right commands, or it'll learn the wrong behaviors. And that's exactly what's happening with these credit algorithms. They're being trained on biased data, and it's perpetuating inequality. As we look to the future, it's clear that financial AI is only going to play a bigger role in our lives. And that's why it's so important to demand accountability and transparency in these systems. We need to ask the tough questions, like what data are they using, and how are they using it? It's time to shine a light on the hidden AI that's deciding our credit scores and futures. And that's where you come in. By being informed and engaged, you can help create a more just and equitable system. It's like being part of a community that's working together to solve a puzzle. Each piece you add helps to reveal the bigger picture. But, as we work towards a more transparent future, we need to be aware of the risks. What if these credit algorithms become even more sophisticated, and even more hidden? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. The more complex the system, the harder it is to navigate. As I consider the implications of all this, I'm left with a sense of unease. What if we're sleepwalking into a world where AI is making life-changing decisions about us, without our knowledge or consent? It's a scary thought, and one that should prompt us to take action. So, what can we do to take back control? For starters, we need to educate ourselves about these credit algorithms and how they work. It's like learning a new language. Once you understand the basics, you can start to communicate more effectively. And then, we need to demand change by supporting organizations that are working towards more transparent and fair credit systems. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's essential to remember that we're not alone. There are people and organizations working tirelessly to create a more just and equitable system. It's like being part of a movement. Each step you take brings us closer to the goal. And that's why I'm so excited to be a part of this conversation. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can create a wave of change that will impact generations to come. So, I want to leave you with a question: what would happen if we could create a world where credit scores are fair, transparent, and free from bias? It's a tantalizing prospect, and one that's within our reach. As we continue to explore the intersection of technology and humanity, I'm reminded of just how powerful our collective voices can be. If you're as curious as I am about the future of financial AI, and you want to stay up to date on the latest developments, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.